Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal January, day 9. The prompt for today is hidden, so let's grab our junk journal and start creating. How are you all guys doing? I hope you are still having fun with this creative adventure. And let's dive into today's prompt, which is hidden. And for that I decided now it's finally time to tackle this envelope I had put here in the front, and for that I decided to first open it up, kind of destroy it for a moment, but I will close it back up later on, so that a part of today's spread is kind of hidden and there's only a little bit where you can peek in when you open up the envelope. You will see. So I thought that would be a fun take on this prompt for today. Here I'm just flipping through this very old Vogue magazine I had found, and I did decide to use this portrait of a girl and just do a bit of a collage, because I thought it would be fun to have somebody actually peeking out of the envelope, like the girl is hiding inside. So here I'm just trying to figure out where I have to place her, that at least one of her eyes is looking out of the envelope when we close it shut later on. And now I'm just arranging and tearing out bits and bobs to make this little collage here. I think the washi tape I'm gluing down here is later completely irrelevant, because that's one of the parts that is not visible, but I did only close the envelope with some washi tape, so you could actually open it up to see the complete collage, but it would kind of defeat the purpose, so that's why I wanted to, at least for now, glue it down with some washi tape to make it this hidden tuck spot kind of situation. And maybe I also will go back in later on and maybe also stick something into the envelope to have it as a hiding spot in a way. Yeah, maybe that's a fun thing to do as well. But I didn't do that quite yet. I'm just thinking about it now, so maybe I will add that later on. How is your junk journal journey going so far? I'm really happy with how this turned out, but I'm a bit worried this small washi tape might not be strong enough to hold down the envelope, but I thought it would just be so fitting to have this old post and envelope kind of inspired washi tape for this, so I really wanted to make it work in a way. That's why I'm also making this kind of closure for the envelope here, to have a possibility to close it, and so that it maybe keeps shut and not opens up automatically when I flip through the journal. How is your creative January going so far? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm really happy that I'm able to keep up with the challenge and post so regularly, and also creating these spreads here. Can't wait to fill up this journal and then dive into another fun creative project. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little journaling session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you tomorrow. Until then, happy junk journaling.